Well, we're back again, guys. Tristan Adams with Modern Design Aquascaping. So today we're going to be taking you into a vast renovation project. So there have been many issues with this water feature, and not only the water feature, we're looking at issues with mobility for this homeowner. So one of the biggest things for us is relaxing, connecting, and enjoying, especially when it comes to your water features. So the mobility issues that this homeowner has, it's not like they're stuck in wheelchairs and they can't get out, but still, time takes its toll on everything, as we say all the time. And having the walkway that she has currently, she literally, those stones, you step on them and they try and flip you into the drainage ditch or throw you into the pond. So we're not only going to be doing a major overhaul and full renovation on the pond itself, we're actually going to be doing a series of flagstone walkways, stairs to interact up into the common areas, and really make this backyard to where it is a safe place to walk around for people of all ages. Because I walked this property with her the first time, and I myself almost fell straight into the runoff ditch because the stones don't have any dirt under every side. You guys are going to see the mayhem and chaos that is existing right now, and we are going to turn this backyard into something that she has dreamed of for a very long time. So stay tuned with us on this journey. Like, comment, subscribe, follow along. We're getting at it.